Welcome back. We're diving into one of the biological explanations of autism spectrum disorder, the genetic explanation. We'll look at how genetics contribute to ASD, explore the difference between simplex and multiplex cases, and discuss the role of de novo mutations. Let's get started. ASD is a neurodevelopmental condition characterized by challenges in social interaction, communication, and repetitive behaviors. While the exact causes are complex, research highlights a strong genetic component. So, how do we know this? Studies on families and twins provide key insights. Let's start with family studies. Satamari, in 1991, analyzed data showing that siblings of people with ASD have a 2.2% chance of also being diagnosed, 20 times higher than the general population's risk of 0.11%. This suggests a significant genetic link. Twin studies are even more compelling. Bailey et al. In 1995 studied identical twins, also known as MZ twins, and found a 60% concordance rate for ASD. This rate increased to 92% when broad autistic traits were included. Meanwhile, non-identical twins, or DZ twins, showed much lower concordance, emphasizing the role of shared genes. Ritvo et al. In 1985 found similar results, with a striking 96% concordance in MZ twins compared to 23% in DZ twins. Now, let's talk about simplex and multiplex families. Multiplex families are those with multiple family members diagnosed with ASD. In these cases, ASD is often inherited, meaning the genetic variations are passed down through generations. In simplex families, there's only one person with ASD. Research points to de novo mutations as the likely cause in these cases. But what are de novo mutations? De novo mutations are genetic alterations that appear for the first time in a family. They can occur in a parent's germ cell, either the egg or sperm, or during fertilization and early embryonic development. These mutations affect multiple genes through what we call copy number variations, or CNVs. CNVs involve duplications or deletions of sections of DNA, and they're more likely to happen when the parents are older at conception. This explains why higher parental age is associated with a slightly increased risk of ASD. The discovery of de novo mutations in simplex cases highlights how ASD can arise independently of family history. So, to summarize, family and twin studies show a clear genetic link to ASD. Multiplex families suggest inherited genetic variations, while simplex families highlight the role of de novo mutations. This genetic complexity underscores why ASD is a spectrum. It's influenced by a mix of inherited and newly occurring genetic factors. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more explanations of ASD.